kindergarten teacher was Miss Snowberger. She was awesome. She took us to the zoo. It was the best. My first grade teacher was Miss Shireman. She was the nicest teacher, and we did what we want to be when we grow up project. In second grade, it was Miss Beltran's class. She took us to a restaurant her husband worked at. It was called the Blue Bohemian. She was cool. We did opposites and singing. In third grade, I was in Miss Price's class. We learned about grammar and reading. We also learned about Indians and buffalo. Also, we went to the Museum of Man. That was cool. In fourth grade, I was in Miss Davis's class. We did math and reading. That was really cool. In fifth grade, I was in Mr. Folk's class. We did social studies and math. Math was the most favorite subject for me. Mr. Folk took us to the Delmar Fair and we ate lunch and went on rides. Me and Mr. Folk and Mohammed went on the Ferris wheel. Me and Mohammed were scared. Oh my gosh. And we went on this ride called the Mega Drop. It was so scary